Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter 1, Application of Matrices and Determination. Example 1.9. Show that the equation x plus y equal to 5, 2x plus y equal to 8 are consistent and solve them. Solution. First you take it and write the matrix, the x value and y value. A x equal to b, this equation. Next you take it and write a and ab. A and AB you take it and after that you modify the row 2 minus 2 row 1, you get this. Minor of A equal to 2, minor of A comma B equal to also 2. Then the number of non-zero row is 2. Rank minor of A equal to minor of A comma B, both are 2, the numbers are unknowns. The given system is consistent and has unique solution. Now the given system is transformed into 1 1 0 minus 1 xy equal to 5 minus 2, x plus y equal to 2. First equation you substitute the y value, x equal to 5 minus 2, x value is 3. Then solution is x equal to 3, y equal to 2. Next example 1.10. Show that the equation 2x plus y equal to 5, 4x plus 2y equal to 10 are consistent and solve them. First you take it and write this equation into the matrix form A x equal to b. Then you write the matrix A and argument matrix A comma b. First you modify the row 2 minus 2 row 1. You get the answer is this. Then minor of A equal to 1, minor of A comma b equal to 1. Minor of A equal to minor of A comma b equal to 1 less than number of unknowns, less than number of unknown. The given system is so that the given system is consistent and has infinitely many solution. Now the given system is transformed into the matrix equation 2 1 0 0 x y 5 0. Then you write it in the equation form 2x plus y equal to 5. Let us take y equal to k belongs to real number. 2x plus k equal to 5, x equal to 1 by 2, 5 minus k. So that y equal to k for all k belongs to R. Thus, by given different value of k, we get different solution. Hence, the system is infinite number of solution. Next example. So that the equation 3x minus 2y equal to 6, 6x minus 4y equal to 10 are inconsistent. First you take it and write the equation into matrix form Ax equal to b. Then you take it and write A matrix and AB matrix. First you modify row 2 equal to row 2 minus 2 row 1. If you are subtract this, you get this equation. Minor of A equal to 1, minor of A comma B equal to 2. Minor of A comma B equal to 2, minor of A equal to then both are not equal. That this given system is inconsistent and has no solution. Next example, show that the equation 2x plus y plus z equal to 5, x plus y plus z equal to 4, x minus y plus 2z equal to 1 are consistent and hence solve them. First you take it and write the equation ax equal to b. Then you take it and write a comma b. First you want to interchange the row 1 to row 2. Next step, row 2 minus 2 row 1, you get 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. Next row 3 minus row 1, you get 0 minus 2 1 minus 3. Next you change row 3 minus 2 row 2, you get 0 0 3 3. Minor of a equal to 3, minor of a comma b equal to 3, both are 3. Obviously, the last equivalent matrix is in the epsilon form if has 3 non-zero rows. Minor of a equal to minor of a comma b equal to 3, number of unknowns. The given system is consistent and has unique solution. To find the solution, let us rewrite the above epsilon form into the matrix form. First you take it and write this in this form, matrix form. Then you transform to the equation x plus y plus z equal to 4, y plus z equal to 3, 3z equal to 3. The 3 equation you take it and write, after that you solve. Z equal to, if you are taking third equation, 3 3 cancel, z equal to 1. Then you substitute z value in the second equation, 3 minus 1, the answer is 2. Then zy value is substitute in first equation, 4 minus y minus z, x equal to 4 minus 2 minus 1, you get the answer is 1, the x value is, therefore x equal to 1, y value is 2, z value is 1. Next example, show that the equation x plus y plus z equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 14, x plus 4y plus 7z equal to 30 are consistent and solve them. First you take it and write this equation in the matrix form. Then argument matrix A comma B, you take it and write. First row 2 minus row 1, you get the answer is 0, 1, 2, 8. Next row 3 minus row 2, you get 0, 2, 4, 16. Then row 3 minus 2 row 2, you get 0, 0, 0, 0. So that minor of A equal to 2, minor of A comma B equal to 2. Obviously, the last equation matrix is in the epsilon form. It has 2 non-zero rows. Minor of A comma B equal to 2, minor of A equal to 2. Minor of A equal to minor of A comma B equal to 2 less than number of unknowns. The given system is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. The given system is equivalent to the matrix equation. First you take it and write in the matrix form. X plus y plus z equal to 6, y plus 2z equal to 8. Using the second equation, y equal to 8 minus 2z. First equation, x equal to 6 minus y minus z equal to 6 equal to 6. Y minus z is 8 minus y value is 8 minus 2z minus z. So that the answer is z minus 2. Let us take z equal to k belongs to r. We get x equal to k minus 2, y equal to 8 minus 2k. Thus, by giving different values of k, we get different solution. Hence, the given system has infinitely many solutions. Thank you, children.